Welcome to the future of solar energy maintenance. In a world striving for sustainability and efficiency, innovative solutions are essential. Today, we're introducing a groundbreaking technology that is revolutionizing the way we clean solar panels. Meet our solar panel cleaning robot. Designed to maximize energy output and minimize maintenance costs, this robotic marvel is changing the game for solar energy. With precision engineering and advanced sensors, our robot ensures that every solar panel is kept spotless, regardless of location or weather conditions. From vast solar farms to residential installations, our robot is versatile and adaptable. It can navigate challenging terrain with ease, making it ideal for even the most remote locations. Equipped with specially designed brushes and cleaning mechanisms, our robot can effectively remove dust, debris, and even stubborn stains from the surface of solar panels. With special dry cleaning technology, our robot efficiently cleans without using any water, ensuring a quick and tidy process. With its tireless dedication to keeping solar panels clean, our robot never rests, working around the clock to harness the power of the sun and power our world sustainably.